The Xiaomi 14 Ultra Photography Kit is a game changer. It transforms your Xiaomi 14 Ultra into a pro-level camera setup. This kit packs a punch, a grip case with shutter controls, a 67mm filter adapter for creative effects, and a wireless handle with a bonus battery that extends your shooting time. Imagine capturing stunning photos with a comfortable grip, physical controls, and a variety of filters. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra Photography Kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their mobile photography to the next level. Get ready to elevate your vlogging game with the Ordro M5. This cutting-edge 5K camera packs a punch with its 3-axis stabilizer, 5K 30fps footage, and 120 degrees ultra-wide angle lens. Night vision capabilities ensure you never miss a moment, even in low light. Its intuitive touchscreen and AI features streamline content creation. The Ordro M5 is a must-have for vloggers craving high-quality, hassle-free filming. Capture life's moments with clarity and precision like never before. Forget boring phone stands. LOOI is a robot that brings your phone to life. Magnetically attaching to your iPhone or Android, LOOI transforms it into a desktop assistant with a surprising amount of personality. It takes photos, tells jokes, thanks to built-in ChatGPT, and even plays games with you. Plus, it wirelessly charges your phone while it entertains. Early reviews suggest LOOI delivers on its promise of a fun and interactive desktop companion. Definitely worth checking out for the tech enthusiast or anyone who wants a phone with a little more pizzazz. Greetings, health enthusiasts! The Oura Ring Gen3 Heritage is here to level up your wellness game. This sleek ring tracks sleep, activity, and even your readiness to tackle the day. It boasts a comfy design, advanced sensors, and detailed health insights. While a subscription unlocks full features, you can still see basic scores for free. It's pricey compared to some trackers, but for a discreet and data-rich experience, the Oura Ring shines. Calling all restless sleepers! Philips' new sleep headphones, co-developed with Cocoon, are a dream come true. These comfy buds combine a sleek design with high-tech features to lull you into a deeper sleep. With noise-masking tech and sleep tracking, they adapt to your environment and habits. Plus, the 10-hour battery lets you listen to music, audiobooks, or calming sounds all night. Gear up, fitness fanatics! QIDI Vida, your new artificial intelligence sports mate, is here. These AR smart glasses aim to be the ultimate workout companion. Imagine a sleek full-color display feeding you real-time exercise data and offering artificial intelligence-powered coaching, all without needing a phone in hand. So ditch the bulky gadgets and get ready for a smarter, sweat-filled future. Forget robo-vacuums that cower before stairs. The MIGO Ascender conquers them all. This game-changer cleans floors and mops, navigating your entire home with ease. It maps your space with laser precision, dodges obstacles, and tailors cleaning for carpets and hardwood. Plus, a powerful battery lets it clean a large area and resume after a recharge. Control it all and set schedules from your phone. The future of clean floors is here. The RayNeo X2 boasts a massive virtual screen, high brightness, and smooth refresh rate. All the makings of a killer AR experience. It even throws in Nintendo Switch compatibility. The field of view is a measly 30 degrees, leaving you with a limited window into the AR world. An odd artificial intelligence gimmick and mixed reviews on comfort don't exactly inspire confidence either. Calling all audiophiles with a love for vintage vibes. Re-Efuen's Luna Audio promises a nostalgic trip down memory lane with cutting-edge tech. This beauty boasts a retro 16-bit variable frequency drive display for that classic charm. But don't be fooled. It packs a punch with superior sound quality. Stream your favorites wirelessly via Bluetooth or tune into AM and FM radio. Plus, the massive 4,900 mAh battery keeps the tunes going for hours on end. The Nawakar-Float Pong cornhole board is here to revolutionize your outdoor fun. This inflatable marvel combines the classic thrills of cornhole and Pong into one epic game. It's easy to set up, ridiculously portable at just 21 pounds, and comes with a carrying bag for ultimate convenience. Play on land or water, then deflate and store it away with minimal fuss. This ingenious board is perfect for anyone who wants a fun and space-saving way to liven up parties, tailgates, or any casual get-together. Elevate your content creation with the OBSBOT Tail Air, boasting upgraded AI auto-tracking for seamless capture of humans, pets, or objects even in challenging conditions. Experience 4K ultra-clear images at 30fps/1080p at 60fps with superior video quality in low-light conditions. Enjoy precise control with the smart remote controller and customize your streaming experience effortlessly with the OBSBOT Start app. Ideal for multi-camera streaming, the Tail Air offers professional-grade capabilities at an affordable price. Enhance your content creation journey with OBSBOT Tail Air for unparalleled quality and convenience.